Ever bought a grill pan only to spend hours seasoning it, only to find your steaks sticking or your veggies scorching unevenly? It's frustrating when all you want is a perfect sear without the hassle. That's why the Alva Nori 11-inch enameled cast iron grill pan immediately caught my attention. This 11-inch enameled cast iron grill pan promises restaurant-style results with zero seasoning required, a non-toxic 3-layer enamel finish, and raised ridges that drain fat while searing your food beautifully. If you love grilling indoors or just want a reliable pan that delivers consistent results, this might be the one to simplify your kitchen. Right out of the box, the Alva Nori grill pan feels substantial but not unwieldy. The 3-layer enamel coating inside and out gives it a sleek, glossy finish that looks premium. And because it's enameled, there's no need for the months-long seasoning process traditional cast iron demands. You can literally pick it up, put on your stovetop, and start grilling right away. The raised ridges are perfectly designed to leave those coveted sear marks on meat, fish, or vegetables while letting fat drain away, giving you healthier results without compromising on flavor. The heat distribution is where cast iron truly shines, and the Alva Nori delivers. Place it on a gas burner, electric coil, induction cooktop, or even in the oven. The pan heats evenly across its surface, eliminating hot spots that can burn food. The even heating also helps retain juices in meats while providing that crispy, caramelized exterior that makes homemade meals feel gourmet. You can even finish dishes in the oven without needing to transfer to a separate baking dish, which saves time and reduces cleanup. Cooking on this pan is surprisingly versatile. I tried everything from seared salmon to roasted vegetables, and each dish came out beautifully. The enamel surface is naturally non-stick enough that proteins don't cling stubbornly, yet it still provides the perfect amount of grip for browning and searing. Even delicate items, like asparagus or tofu, slide easily when flipped. And because excess fat drains into the grooves, you end up with healthier results that are still full of flavor. It's the kind of pan that elevates everyday meals. Cleanup is simple thanks to the enamel coating. Unlike bare cast iron, you don't need to scrub aggressively or worry about rusting. Hand washing is recommended to preserve the enamel finish, but it's dishwasher safe if you're in a hurry. The classic black finish looks timeless and can go straight from stove to table, so it doubles as a serving piece when you want to impress guests without pulling out extra dishes that, of course, there are a few considerations. The pan is heavier than a standard non-stick skillet, so handling it full of food requires a firm grip. The enamel, while durable, can chip if dropped or subjected to harsh impacts, so care is still necessary. And while it's excellent for most grilling tasks, the 11-inch size might feel slightly limiting for very large cuts of meat or multiple servings at once. Compared to similar options in the market, like the Lodge enameled cast iron grill pan or the Le Creuset 11-inch model, the Alva Nori holds its own. It's competitively priced while delivering premium features, PFAS-free enamel, induction compatibility, oven-safe design, and raised ridges for searing and fat drainage. While Le Creuset is a well-known luxury brand, the Alva Nori provides nearly identical performance without the premium price tag, and it's ready to use straight out of the box. No seasoning required. Who is this pan for? Home cooks who love grilling indoors, health-conscious chefs looking to drain excess fat, or anyone who wants classic cast iron performance without the maintenance headaches will benefit most. Who might skip it? Those cooking for large families or entertaining big groups frequently might want a larger pan or a multi-pan setup to handle multiple servings simultaneously. All things considered, the Alva Nori 11-inch enameled cast iron grill pan earns a solid 9 out of 10. It's versatile, safe, stylish, and delivers professional quality results with minimal effort. Whether you're searing steaks, roasting vegetables, or finishing a dish in the oven, it's a reliable, long-lasting tool that makes cooking feel a lot more elevated. If you want to bring the taste of restaurant grilling into your kitchen without the hassle, check the link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.